We just got here in Sagada, and for our first activity today, we are going to do a 2-hour trekking to Bumodok Falls. And as you can see, ito yung dadaanan namin, and literally it's mountain. And we're finally here at Bumodok Falls. Since it's summer, konti lang yung bumabagsak na water sa falls and hindi siya delikado or safe siyang maligo. We're finally here at Bumodok Falls after 2 hours of trekking. Bali, it's going to be 2.8 kilometers distance from the top. Sa taas sa entrance sa pinanggalingan namin. So, naglakad kami talaga ng malayo. And eto, it's time to swim. Kasi malamig ang water at maraming tao. So, let's enjoy! During rainy season, malakas ang bumabagsak na water dito sa falls and hindi siya safe na maligo malapit sa falls.